Kaya ata mo ang ikaw ato ni kamanat. Kaya kukuin. Kaya kulok ka nga. Sabi ko ito po. Nadekit ko yung mo. For our grandparents. I grew up in Eos Manolo. It's long my daughter fine. But man got it all. Now I'm afraid I mean if I feel I'll be done. If we all have I remember the things that I remember of my grandma when in Mali, when they cook kakata, no matter what time it was, her smile will always brighten up my day. Especially if I would yell, Ana Silva. It's so good to see you. I'm going to get a lucky. If I stop kiki peeta haite mautala no aki. Ana te ke mali a fe. O ka maiaka ke mali ke hauto koni makasimote mo a kesa. Grandma, okay, hola. No, Pip, te give you money. You want to eat it. But I thank you so much, Grandma. If I hold the loki, ko ke lau I tātoa mai pe a mokanga mokopuna. My family, from my brothers, their family, the whanau asunia, the whanau ania, os ilo katoa pea ku Grandma. Ko peheni ko a uke tau wangono ko os ngalo ata hinua. She knew every single name of every grandchild there was. So Grandma, ko whakalahi atu. Ko whamai a Davita, Amy, Muna, Samir, Lizzie, Simote, Siausi, Helen, Mia, Jordan, Andrew, Sione, Batau, Ofa, Yasi'i, Sumia, Mokiran, and also me, Grandma. I'll never forget you, Grandma. I'll always love you. Mama, okay.